Hello my dear friends. Today I am here with different aspect from my previous videos. We have complete control over only one thing in the universe, that is our thinking. You see, the way we think and feel about ourselves, including our beliefs and expectation about what is possible for us, determines everything that happens to us. When we change the quality of our thinking, we change the quality of our life. As we live our life with all utmost living, we also come across regrets. Yes, my friends, regrets. Everyone has regrets, and that includes the mistakes we did in past and decisions we regret doing. Don't live your life in regret. Move forward and learn from mistakes of yesterday. To make you understand this, I am here with an example. Have you ever been to circus? Yes, of course, we all have been. There you must have seen a juggler. He plays with the balls in a very planned way. He plays as well as balances all the 5 balls together. He does his work perfectly all at a time. But according to me, we all are jugglers. We all have 5 balls, 3 of rubber and 2 are of glass. The 3 rubber ball consist of business or profession, friend circle and property. Business when gone can come back to you as rubber bounces back. Friend circle when gone, no problem, can be gained, and property when gone can be earned again. But the rest 2 balls which are made up of glass, that is health and second is our family. Once dropped down, can't be gained again. To protect it, preserve it, our whole life goes on. And what we do for the sake of all the 3 rubber balls? We overcome these 2 valuable balls. When we finally observe, there we see that we have sacrificed our 2 precious glass balls for those 3 balls. And after that, we keep on regretting. Finally, what we find? That to live a lavish life, we don't have a healthy body and a beautiful family to enjoy together. Then what's the need of having lots of wealth and property? So, we should always try to preserve these 2 glass balls. Finally, it summarized that sacrificing health and family for business, friendship and property results in loss. One should give importance to health and family than business and any other activities. True wealth, success and happiness can only be achieved by balancing our business life with the duty. We have to protect ourselves and our family. Yes, with this lesson, I conclude myself. Thank you and have a nice day.